Hi everybody and welcome. In the video I'm going to show you why isn't your Google Maps not be working. So we have a few options we can check. So the first one is no internet connection. If we don't have downloaded the offline maps, our maps won't work. So we have to hold our finger and scroll down from the top and check if we are connected to our internet. If we aren't, we have to do so or enabling mobile data. Apart from that, we have to check if our location services are disabled. If they are, we have to enable them using the switch. As you can see, our location is not here, it's here. We have to have it enabled. Apart from that, we have to clear cache from our maps and then enable them back again. And as the final point, we have the not granted permissions, because our maps might not have the access to the location. So we have to at first hold the finger on our application, tap app information, and here we have to tap on permissions. Here we have to grant location. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.